Welcome back to the Sweet Studio. My name is Bjorn Sorenson, and I'm gonna teach you my new, favorite, amazing, beautiful, connecting Kendama trick! I guess we'll call this one the Kendama Hug, I guess, you know. I guess I said I guess twice, 4 times now. Before I was blessed with a coop strap, you know, I would rock the kendama around my neck. And you kendama players out there know what I'm talking about. You know, we're walking around like this all day. It's awesome, it's great, it's a good place to keep it. But when you see a homie, there's a problem. Hey, Josh Grove, how's it going, bro? Ow! Ah, dang.
You gotta figure something out.
I really want to hug you like long
10.
and good, man. That's the problem. So we have the solution. It's kind of like a cool little puzzle, and I'm gonna bring in my good pal Josh Grove to help me show you how to do this. Joshua,
Bjorn, let's go, dude. Give me a hug, man.
Oh, dude, bring it in. Oh, for real, man.
How you been?
I've been so good, man. Oh, that was a good hug.
Did you see how nice that was?
Oh, it felt great.
Seamless.
No pain.
Seamless.
Just pure love.
So let's break it down. It's super smooth, super cool,
easy.
and you're never gonna bruise your friend's chest ever again.
No, or your own.
Or even, you know, if you're hugging someone without a dama, just take your dama off out of the shoulder, you know.
Yeah.
One shoulder, it always works a little best.
Exactly.
But, Bjorn, show me how it's done.
All right, so we'll come into the hug, you know. Instead of coming straight in, we gotta pause. We'll both put our arms up. Right arm goes a little higher than the left arm. Then, both parties, right arm higher. Then we go in, grab the other's dama, and then lift, and then left arm goes higher, right arm goes lower, and you bring it on in. And I prefer heart-to-heart hugs because, you know, there's a lot of energy in there. There's a lot of love in our heart.
And that's the way Ben taught it the first time I had it done too, is he lifted up and came over to the left, and if you're hugging your head over the person that you're hugging's left shoulder, that's a heart-centered hug.
Yes, and man, the energy, trust me. Give it a shot, you'll feel it.
So something to be aware of when you're trying the friendship hug or the Kendama hug is as Bjorn brings his right hand up and his left arm down a little bit lower, for whatever reason, make sure that you're doing the same thing. It's not gonna work unless we're both doing the same thing. So if I try to come underneath for some reason, his arm,
I'm confused already.
No, so yeah, if I try to come underneath his right arm, but he's doing the same thing, there's no way to get out of it.
Oh, and then we're tangled up.
We're just tangled up. So make sure that your right hands are both going over the other person's left hand, right? Scoot, scoot, and then you can open up and you have the hug opportunity, and then just gently and respectfully place the camera back on your friend's neck.
And then you're ready to slay. Race the lace, dude.
Shout out Ben Harold again, because the Kendama hug is really nice once you learn it. Practice those couple steps, right hand over left, make sure you both are doing the same, and then you got yourself a super cool greeting and goodbye.
And no bruises.
And no bruises. No bruises for sure.
I remember my first Kendama event, and I was hugging so many people just so fiercely, and I went home after the end of the weekend, and I was just all bruised up.
Kendama slapping you in the face.
Yeah, it was intense. So, hey, hug safely, Kendama fam. Hug safely.
Hug safely. All right, ready? Quick. 3, 2, 1, drop.
We
gotta go. Peace.
All right, later. That's the Kendama hug. Thank you, Ben Harold, for introducing me to my new favorite Kendama trick, probably one of the more difficult ones too. Coop, make sure to put this one in the super, super difficult category on YouTube. And so, yeah, speaking of that, go check out all our tutorials on the Sweets YouTube. Beginner, intermediate, advanced, awesome stuff. Thank you for watching. Mwah. XOXO.
What up, everybody? Thanks for checking out that video. If you like what you just watched, make sure you go and hit that subscribe button, and make sure you go punch that shop button and get yourself a new dama. We have tons of other videos for you to watch, so make sure you go check them out. See you next time.